Nieces and nephews, it's your girl Bad BB here, and today I need you to get dressed with me. But first we have to talk about boobs. I know that I'm a petite little thing. I'm only 5'2", 135 pounds. Thank you. But I am 32 triple D. I've always been a big boobed girl ever since I've had boobs since the 5th grade. I used to be like a stick with boobs. Like coming out of high school, I was 114 pounds and I was triple D. I was bigger than anybody else in my family, chest wise, mismatched bras, you name it. Bras have always been a thing. And I haven't come accustomed to anything like the product I'm about to tell you about since the pageant days, where I used to have to duct tape my boobs under a gown to get it to sit a certain type of way, because there's just certain type of bras that just don't fit for me. I've tried the rabbit bras. I don't know, some of them celebrities lie. Like, I'm team anti-surgery. Like, I'm not trying to have any boob surgeries or boob lifts, but there's just certain type of tops and things that do not go for me. Baby doll tops, certain strapless tops, backless tops. It's just like I'm gonna have to tape something or just cover a nipple and let my boobs hang a little bit. And there's nothing wrong with that because they're kind of big. You know, they're kind of big, they're gonna drop a little bit. They don't just sit up and big and perky like that. No, gravity hits these mugs. But I found this product called NueBoo Tape, and I'm so excited about it because you're gonna get to see how I use this to fit into this really sexy top that I'm gonna put on. All right, so let's do this. NueBoo's tagline is confidence is sexy. It was made for the boobs in mind, okay, to keep us nice and confident so we don't look crazy when we're going out. All you have to do is cut strips of the boob tape and make sure your skin is dry. Remove the backing paper and lift your boobs to the desired position and apply the tape over your shoulder and secure. Of course, if you have sensitive skin, pre-test the tape on your skin, and if there's any irritation or redness, do not use it. NueBoo even brought me this chest pad. It's an anti-wrinkle silicone chest pad that you can stick on your chest to prevent yourself from wrinkling, and you can get up to 30 uses out of it if you use it properly. How cool is that? So I've got my little sexy top on, late night, date night. Y'all know what it is, grown and sexy, okay? But you see how the boobs are a little droopy, so that's where NueBoo Boob Tape comes to the rescue. It's going to save me. So let me show you how I'm going to use this to perk the girls up for a plunging neckline top. Let's get it. To get that real boob lift job, you're going to need to you kind of have to hold the girls where you want her and then swing it behind your shoulder. So you want enough tape. I'm going to go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna go with about 8 squares. You kind of want to hold the boob where you need her to be, and for me, I'm gonna cover that nipple first. Oh my gosh. Crucial mistake. All right, and then you take her over the shoulder for a really nice lifted look. Do take a little bit as you go. I used 8 squares. You see, I probably could have went for 5 or 6. I'm gonna cut off the excess. Oh yeah, but you can majorly see that difference, right? You see how she's sitting versus how she's sitting, right? Right, big difference. Let me cut off this excess. I really don't need mine to go past my shoulder. comfy and it's comfortable. You can't see it underneath the shirt, but I mean, wow, that makes a huge difference. Look at this girl versus this girl. This girl versus this girl. Need I say more? The Anti-Wrinkle Silicone Chest Pad, I don't really have a need for personally. This is more for people who have wrinkles in their chest and they want to know how to get a smooth, sexy cleavage line. I will demonstrate how to use it for you though. You make sure your chest is clean and dry. You take the silicone chest pad like so off of its pad. It's very, very sticky. And you place said silicone pad. You place that pad right in that chest area like so. So yes, the idea is you would sleep with this chest pad overnight and wake up with beautiful, unwrinkled, confident, sexy skin that's perfect for your bosom. You know what I'm saying? Again, this is something that I personally don't feel like I'll struggle with anytime soon. But I really wanted to show you guys anyways, because some people might struggle with chest wrinkles, and NueBoo has a great product for that. And you just want to peel it off nice and slowly for removal. Of course, you want to mildly cleanse your chest with soap and water after using this. Again, you would do this overnight, ladies. This is like one of those overnight self-care treatments. You can use this up to 30 times, and you want to clean this with mild soap and water just as you would your body, and let it air dry for best results so you can reuse it again. So in the event that you're gonna do a strapless dress or something like I have this lovely strapless jumpsuit. This ain't gonna cut it, player. So you can just take the tape, and again, like I said, just cut to give you girls the support you need, because we want this to be hidden. You know, I'm auntie. I'm just gonna tell you what your mama never told you now. Your mama ain't teach you this stuff, but it's all right. I got you. We gonna keep you right and keep you looking tight. All right. Now this is cute, but what if you want the girls to be kind of, you know what I'm saying? For the strapless dresses, I'm gonna take 4 cubes of tape, and I'm going to put the strap, yes, in the middle. We are gonna suck these girls in, okay? Could just be like this, but if you want to be a little bit more boom, you're gonna need this tape to give your girls that, okay? This is Auntie's pageant trick right here. I'm trying to teach you something. Your mama ain't teach you this. I'm trying to tell you. Go ahead. All right, let me go back in my surgeon's table. I'll be back. I can't put this on YouTube. You want to bring the girls up and in. We're going to bring the girls up and in, and we're going to tape them. And then we're going to cover them. Like so. So you see that perky? You see it. You see the perky situation. Now I'm going to just zip the back up, and we will be ready to go. Yes. See, the girls are here now. They're here now. What bra is she wearing? No bra. This is NueBoo tape. Yes. But yes, this is how she is sitting. Guys, I am going to leave a discount code in the description box for you to try NueBoo Boob tape for yourself. And this will work for people who even have smaller boobs. It's just a perfect way to, you know, it's very comfortable. It just, I'm surprised. I'm really surprised that it's holding the girls like this, because I've tried those little rabbit bras and things like that, and I just felt like they were fraud. I always knew tape was going to be the move, or I just would avoid those type of sexy tops, the Instagram boutique tops altogether, because I just knew it wasn't going to fit my lifestyle. But it's nice that with a product like NueBoo like this, hey, who can't wear that top? Like, what? I'm comfortable. I'm sexy. I'm sassy. I'm working. I'm perky. So yeah. You guys tell me what you think. There's no community without the you and the I. So do make sure that you tell your girl what you think in the comments below. Like, thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, check out the social media. And in the meantime, in between time, it's your girl Bad Aunt BB, over and out.